Welcome to the Pinterest Web Analytics Walkthrough. My name is PJ, and I'm a partner manager at Pinterest. We've created this tool to make it easier for you to see what people are pinning from your website and to help you understand where those pins are going. To access Pinterest Web Analytics, you'll need to have a verified website associated with your profile. Go to your profile and make sure there's a check mark here next to your website address. That means you're verified. If you don't see a check mark, visit business.pinterest.com/verify. To access Pinterest Web Analytics, go to the menu in the top right corner and select Analytics. When you click on Analytics, you'll be taken to the Site Metrics page that is made up of 4 graphs that measure pins, repins, impressions, and clicks. Each graph has a measure of actions in blue and a number of people who did those actions in orange. You can hide one of the lines by clicking on the check mark in the top right corner of each graph. Change your view by selecting the date range here in the upper left corner. Click on a start date and then an end date. You can also do a quick select for the last 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. Hover over a question mark to learn more about that section. You can also read tips about how to make improvements and understand performance of that metric. The gray number is the percent change in the metric compared to the previous date range. The large blue and orange numbers represent the daily average number of actions, or people, during the date range selected. Hover over a data point to see more information from that day. Click on the Export button to download a CSV file with all of the data from your Site Metrics page. To see which of your pins are most popular with your website visitors, you can click on these other tabs to see what's been pinned most recently, what's been most repinned, and what's been most clicked. The Most Recent tab gives you a real-time look at the things that are being pinned directly from your website. The Most Repinned tab helps you see the unique pins that got repinned the most on any given day, 7-day, or 14-day period. When you see a spike in repins on the Site Metrics tab, select that date range here so you can learn about what caused it. The Most Clicked tab shows you the unique pins that people clicked on the most so they could get back to your website. You can also select a 1-day, 7-day, or 14-day period to look at. Just like the last example, when you see a spike in clicks on the Site Metrics tab, select that date range here so you can see why people were clicking to your website. In all 3 of these tabs, you can click on any pin to get more insight. When you click on a pin, you'll see the board it was pinned to and the person who originally pinned it. If you scroll down, there is a feed of what people who pinned this also pinned. You'll see pins from many different websites that inspired the same people who enjoyed the pin above. On any of the 3 Most tabs, you can click on the Export button to download a CSV file that has more detailed information on the 100 most recent, repinned, or clicked pins. Use the graphs on the Site Metrics tab and each of the feeds on the Most tabs to help you understand the things people love from your website, to see how they organize and share them on Pinterest, and to realize how they want to make those things a part of their lives. For more information about Pinterest Web Analytics, visit business.pinterest.com. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.